Let's take a look at functions. A function we will a lot of times write like this: f of x, g of x, something like this. And what this means is that this x value here, this is our input variable. So what a function is it takes an input and gives you an output. So if I have f of x equals 4x squared, what that tells me is if I put in any value here, if I pick any value for x, 0, 0 squared is 0 times 4, that's still 0. If I go -3, -3 squared is positive 9 times 4 is 36. If I go positive 1, 1 squared, so 1 squared is 1 times 4, that's 4. So this is what a function is and what it does. It's something that maps some input variable onto some output variable. The big thing that we need for this to really count as a function is that each x value that we put in only produces one y value. So if I put in x equals 1, it's going to give me y equals 4. If I put in x equals 1 another time, it's still going to give me y equals 4. What this looks like as a graph so if this is my x and this is my y, and I've got some kind of a line like this, this will work because for each x value that I put in, I only have one possible y value that I get out. The way that I test this is with something called a vertical line test. It's not very creatively named. Vertical line test says if I have a function, or if I have a curve like this, and I can draw a vertical line and it passes through no more than one point, then this is a function. If I had a different curve, like let's say I had my graph like this, still x, still y, and my graph looked like this, this does not pass a vertical line test. If I draw a vertical line here, it passes through more than one point, which mathematically means, or I guess algebraically means, that this x value produces 3 different y values, and that's no good. So this is not a function. That's it. Those are the basics of what is and isn't a function and what we do with them.